All right, I got this really nice cordless soldering iron kit. This is the main piece right here, as you can see, cordless. So that's amazing. The great selling point of this. Here is the charging cable that you would just plug in right here at the bottom, and then you plug that in the other USB side, either into your computer, or you can plug it into a outlet that plugs into the wall. So that's amazing. Now, so first, let's come over here. This is the rosin flux right here. I'm just going to open it really quick. Basically, this serves as a binder right here, and you're going to dissolve it in alcohol, and it serves as a binder. So that is amazing. Comes with that. Also comes with this solder wire right here. I'll just show you the whole thing right there. A lot of wire in there, so that's amazing. Then you've got the stand right here that the soldering iron can just sit in when you're done using it, or when it's heating up, which it heats up very quickly, which I'll show you. You've got this nice area for the sponge. I'll just actually open right here. This is the sponge right here. You put it right in this little area here, and you're going to put some water in there to keep it moist. So that's amazing. So, and then it also comes with these two pieces that you screw in. You got that end right there, and you've also got this end right here. And I'm going to use this one right here. So you're going to put it into the end of the soldering iron. You're going to screw it in. It's nice and screwed in right there. And I'm going to be working on this motherboard right here. You can solder together wires, whatever you want to do. This thing's amazing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn it on by pressing this button right here. So it says off, so I'm going to hold this down. And now it is on. And as you can see, it's heating up very quickly. I have it set to heat up to 842 degrees right there, which is as hot as it goes. And you can see, if I double click that, it goes to Celsius. It can be read in Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm going to do Fahrenheit, and you can see it is heating up very quickly. And as it heats up, you could just put it in here if you want, like I have it in here. It's just heating up in there, and I can just wait for it to heat up. So as I wait for it to heat up, I'm going to get ready to do some work on this motherboard right here. But I highly recommend this. This is your soldering iron. Highly recommend.